took every ounce of strength in my body to not rip my face off. Hi guys, so I thought I should make a video regarding my experience with at-home fake nails, since a lot of people are doing their nails at home now. My whole life I've been struggling with biting my nails, and I thought I had the genius idea to start wearing fake nails in an effort to stop biting my real nails. Well, like all of my great ideas, it was off to an amazing start, and then it failed. So I did my nails about every 4 to 5 days with nail glue purchased from Walmart or Sally's. And they were looking cute, so I was happy because I didn't have to spend $50 a month at a nail salon because I wasn't ready for that kind of commitment. Or any kind of commitment. Then the problem started. First, I noticed that the skin on my fingers became itchy. It was cracking, so I started slathering it with lotion. Then these tiny little blisters started popping up on my fingers. Started getting a bit more concerned, so I started Googling the worst possible scenarios, and one of them was bed bugs. I didn't think that I had it because I am a clean freak, but you never know, especially with my luck. So I even got a new bed, but it didn't help. Then the story continues. So a few months pass, and I start getting this weird flakiness on my face, and then blisters, which made me miss the good old days when it was only my hands that were blistered. My face was so itchy that I couldn't even fall asleep, and when I would fall asleep, I would be woken up by my hands that were unconsciously scratching my face while I slept. During the day when I would put on lotion, I would massage my face, and the skin was just falling off. So much. It was all under my nails, just full of skin, and it was disgusting, I know. But that was my life for a year. When the skin would fall off, you could actually see these tiny holes on my face that were secreting substances, including blood. And I didn't really think it was an allergy because I didn't introduce any new products into my routine. During that time, I was spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars at Sephora trying to calm my face, make it better, but nothing was working. Then on the biggest day of my university career, my honors thesis presentation, and I woke up with a million little bumps on my face. It took every ounce of strength in my body to not rip my face off. Not for how it looked, but for how itchy it was. So I put on some makeup trying to cover up the redness because I also had a date that day. And I did text him saying, hey, I'm not looking so good today. Actually, not good at all. Can we cancel? But he didn't want to cancel, so I thought, hey, at this point, I could use a good meal. I controlled myself so well that day. I was so proud of not scratching my face. But then on the date, I just thought it was nice knowing you. And I started gently massaging my face. And the makeup was coming off, the skin was coming off, but I didn't care because I was waiting all day to scratch that itch. During this time, what I also started noticing is that I was getting wrinkles. Usually, I had oily skin, which never had a crease. But now my skin was very dry, flaky, and wrinkly. Which made me think I did not spend hundreds of dollars on anti-aging serums throughout my life to have some condition age me 5 years in 5 months. So I went to my family doctor and I explained everything. And he told me it's rosacea. My mom has rosacea, and I know rosacea does not include wanting to rip your face off. So he gave me some Metrogel for rosacea, used that for about a month, and surprise, it didn't work. Why? Because it's not rosacea. Then he sent me to another doctor to get tested to see if I'm allergic to cats, dogs, trees. Surprise, I'm not. Then, praise the Lord, praise everything. He sent me to a dermatologist. Because who would have thought to send me to a dermatologist for this skin condition? Then I had to wait another year for the appointment with the dermatologist. And by that time, I had broken my habit of biting my nails, so I stopped wearing fake nails. And eventually the symptoms went away. But I didn't fully connect the two because it took 3 months for the symptoms to go away after I stopped wearing fake nails. So it just kind of seemed like they went away by themselves. Anyway, the dermatologist told me that I had contact dermatitis, meaning that I came into contact with a substance that I was allergic to. She also made me an appointment to come back in about 2 years to get patch testing done, which is where you come with all of your products, makeup, skincare, laundry detergent, everything that you've used in your past, and they basically inject it into your back to see what you're allergic to. And I'm still waiting for that appointment. She also said that I should use CeraVe if I have another flare-up. But at this point, I still wasn't fully sure that it was the nail glue that I was allergic to. So, fast forward a year later, I start biting my nails again. Not by choice. There were some difficult things happening in my life and I resorted to nail biting, which I know isn't good, but then again, it's better than turning to alcoholism or illegal activities. So I decided to try fake nails again because clearly the first time didn't work. And within 2 weeks, I wanted to rip off my fingers. A lovely feeling. Now it's been about 2 months since I stopped wearing them and my skin still isn't back to normal. Specifically, on one half of my ring finger, the skin is so thick and textured and dry. The second experience really confirmed to me that I'm allergic to the nail glue, and I wanted to share this with you guys because so many times when you're allergic to something, these symptoms take months to appear, and then even when you stop coming into contact with that allergen, they take months to disappear, which is why it can be hard to find a cause and effect relationship. Whatever's happening with you, just keep on trying to fix it, even if the doctors aren't giving you the correct answers right away. Thanks for watching my coffee chat. Like and subscribe if you found some amusement in my suffering.